So welcome back, guys. So we are still in our CorelDRAW color psychology training. So if I believe you enjoying the part 1 and part 2 of the color psychology in CorelDRAW, so let's see how we obtain color from nature and use it for our design. So if you learn how you obtain color from nature, it is also applicable to how you obtain color from JPEG file, any JPEG file. This is how you obtain the color from it. In case some clients give you their logo file in JPEG, maybe some of them don't have vector file and they ask you to maintain the color, the company color code. So this is the best way to go about how you get exactly color code for the kind of design. So before we start, I'm going to delete this. So I'm going to delete our last class. Then I'll go to my home tab. So I will select my import icon or press Ctrl I on your keyboard. So a dialog box is going to pop up. Then from here, I will look for where I have my information. I have the information in my desktop. So let me use another picture. Okay, let me try to use this car here. So, and I'll click on import. So in this regard, let's say this serves as the logo given to you by a company or by yourself, and you want to obtain the right color from this car to build the color, to build the brand color code. All right. So we have this car here. Now we can go to our toolbar here and select a rectangle now. So we have to press Ctrl key down and drag to draw a rectangle. Then we can right click and drag and make sure that we press down Ctrl key. Then we choose copy here. Then we press Ctrl D. So let's say we want to obtain this color here. We want to obtain, like, we have a dark blue, we have light blue, and we have orange. So you want to pick each of the color. So let me zoom out for us to see everything. Now we want to pick this color here. So how do we do that? It's very simple thing. All you have to do is to go to your toolbar, look for eye color dropper tool. So when you select the eye color dropper tool, so we can start from, so you can see the color is RGB, right? So we can start from the light blue here. When you select the light blue, so it's going to turn your mouse to the paint bucket tool. So we can just drop here. Now we have this color here already. So let's click on the second shape. So we go back to our eye color dropper. Now I need the dark blue. It has been sampled. The value of our color has been shown. So I will click on it once. Then I will drop here. So we have that one also. So we go back to this point here. I will select my eye color dropper again. Then we can, I'm trying to figure out color here. Okay, we have this. Just click once. Then we drop it here. Now, this is the color code we are going to use for the brand. This is applicable for logo, for anything you want to pick color from. So now you notice that this is a RGB color, right? But we need to make sure that if the company design is going to be in a print design. So you know we have to convert this from RGB to CMYK. So let's see how we convert color from RGB color to CMYK color. So we have to go to our home tab here. We click on edit. Then having click on edit, you look for find and replace. Then when you get to this point here, you look for, sorry, my recording is doing something here. So you look for replace object. So this is going to pump up here. Then replace color palette. You click on next. Oh, sorry. Replace color mode. So when you select replace color mode, you are going to have something like this. So when you get to this point here, find color, you select find color. So the find color is RGB. Then replace with CMYK, right? Then you click on finished. Now this pumps up here. Make sure you select replace all. Then when CorelDRAW finished, then you click on OK and close this. So if you look at the figure of this one now, if we go back to our home tab here, our toolbar here, and select our eye color dropper again, and try to move it to the color, you see now it has been changed to CMYK. So change to CMYK and change to CMYK. So now we are good to go by using this color to make a print design. So I hope you understand the difference between CMYK and RGB color, and how to convert your RGB color to CMYK, or how to convert CMYK back to RGB color. This is how color works in CorelDRAW. All you need to do is to understand the basic concept of color before you can do a very unique graphic. All right, so now I believe you are getting something nice. But if you have any question as far as the training is concerned, please kindly let me know before we move deep into our tutorial, right? So now in this regard, I'm going to bring out another example on how you can obtain color. So let's make a use of logo now. So we go back to my home tab now. We click on import icon. So having clicked on import icon, let me see if I have some JPEG logo here. I don't used to have JPEG logo. Okay. Let me look for my logo file. Let me look for my logo file. Okay. My logo file is still loading. So I can look for my logo file here. I think I have logo file. Have a lot of file users. Logo files. Okay. Logo file. So I need a logo file of JPEG format so that you understand what I'm trying to pass across better. So let's say I pick, trying to look at, let me see if this one is JPEG. It's not JPEG. Okay, let's say I pick this one. Then I'll click on import. Then I drop it down here. Now you see this is a JPEG logo file, right? Shift key and drag to make it bold. You see this one here is JPEG file, right? So I need to obtain color from this. So I will go back to my tools bar here again. I will select circle now, then control key down, then I'll make a duplicate, then copy here. All right, so let us zoom out. I think this is about 2 color here. So this is about 2 color. We have blue and black, right? So we have to go to our tools bar now. I color dropper. I will select. Now you can see it's a RGB. I'll drop this one here. So we can go back to our. There is an issue. So we can go back to our tools bar again and select eye color dropper. Then we select the black now and drop this one here. So now we have the company color select just like that. So this is how you obtain color from nature, how you obtain color from JPEG logo, and how you convert your color from Cmyk to RGB or from RGB to Cmyk color in CorelDRAW. So let me zoom it back to so let's see how we can use gradient color in CorelDRAW.